Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making eggless sponge cake. For this we need milk, baking powder, baking soda, refined flour, butter, water, vanilla essence. So first take 200 grams of condensed milk, add 100 grams of butter, mix them very well for 4 to 5 minutes till butter is completely melt. Add milk, 60 ml of milk, mix it again, add vanilla essence and mix it again. Now take a strainer, add approximately 100 grams of all-purpose flour, add half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, rub them so no lump is there, rub them using your hand. Now add this dry mixture into wet mixture and mix it in one direction till you find the smooth consistency. Now take a cake mold, add butter paper, add our batter, bake it for 20 to 25 minutes and your eggless sponge cake is ready. Thank you.